Hi, I'm going to be showing you how to save an email into a file folder so that you can keep your email inbox clean and clear of all the clutter, and so that you can save your emails in an archived type of way in case you need to go back and open them back up or reference them for any reason. So first of all, let's start off in your inbox. And let's find an email that you want to save. We'll just use this one as an example. So let's double click on it to open it. And now you have the open message. All you have to do is come up here to the top left hand corner to the Office button, click on it. Let's go down to Save As. We'll click on the Save As. And here is where we'll save it. Now, let's say that it automatically defaults to your My Documents folder, which should be your H drive. If it's not, you can come down here to My Computer and select the H drive. Now, if you have a specific folder that you want to save it into, such as like an archived email folder or whatever, go ahead and find that and open it up. I happen to have one right down here that I call archived email. So I will double click that to open it. And I'll give it a name. Usually the name defaults to whatever the subject line is in the email. In this instance it's Photoshop. I'll just leave it as, well, I'll change it to email test. Now, underneath that you have a Save As Type line. And you have about 3 different choices you can use. Text only is the most universal type of format. It will open in a notepad program. Doesn't take up very much space. It's really basic. Anybody can open it, no matter what kind of program they have. Everyone has WordPad, or Notepad, I'm sorry. You also have your Outlook message format, which is the type of format that you're looking at right now for the message. When you opened up that message, that was what it looked like. And that's the program that will open it, Outlook. Now, if somebody doesn't have Outlook, then obviously they won't be able to open it. So you have to keep that in mind. HTML is another type of format, which basically means it'll open up in your internet browser, like Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox or what have you. Most people have this, once again, so that shouldn't be a problem. It will look a little bit different in the fact that it won't have that Outlook format, which will have the reply and forward and all that. But that's not a big deal. You can really save it in any one of these 3, or you can save it in all 3 if you want to have multiple backups. For our purposes today, we'll save it in text only. We can show you what it looks like. Click on Save, and that's it. Now, if you want to check it and make sure it's there, you go to your My Computer icon, which let's minimize all this stuff here. And we'll open up My Computer. We'll find the H drive, which will be your name. Find the archived email folder, or whichever folder you have. And we'll find Email Test. It's in a text document. Open it up. And there it is. It's got the all the pertinent information right there. Now let's say you want to save it as an email format. So let's go back and open up that, or Outlook format. Let's go back and open up that file. Go to Office button. Go back down to Save As. Let's call it Email Test once again. Save As Type. We will save it in Outlook message format. Click Save. That's it. Let's go back to our archived email folder, and here it is. So you can see it's got the little envelope and looks all nice and neat, and it will actually open up in Outlook, and this is exactly what it is. Looks just the same as it did before. Now let's say you want to save it as an HTML document. I'm just going through all these to show you what they all look like. each particular format. It's already defaulted to HTML, so that's fine. Click on Save. Okay. Get rid of all this clutter here. Open up our archived email folder once again. Now we have email test. The only reason mine is a Firefox document is because Firefox is my default web browser. Yours will probably look like a big blue E for Internet Explorer. Either way, it's going to open up. It doesn't make any difference. I can open it up in Internet Explorer to show you what it's going to look like. And that's it. That is your email in a web browser format. So doesn't matter how you save it. It's all going to save the same information. It just depends on how you want to open it. Other than that, that is it. If you have any questions or problems or anything, and you want to give me a call, and I can walk you through it. Otherwise, happy archiving, and we'll see you later.